Trying to get to the stuff in your truck bed or off your roof rack can be an absolute nightmare. The DeeZee hitch step is perfect for reaching what you need without lowering your tailgate. This hitch step can handle a sturdy weight of 300 pounds. It has a black powder coat finish for extra protection against the elements. The rugged graded surface gives a perfect step that will help keep you from slipping in wet conditions. The step also fits most 2-inch trailer hitches. It's lightweight, and you can remove the step and reinstall easily with the included hitch pin. What sets this hitch step apart is the design. The folks at DeeZee refer to it as Thor's hammer. DeeZee has also added a few extra features to the step as well. It has 2 built-in wrench cutouts, 10mm and 13mm. This is great when out on the trail, campsite, or worksite and you need that extra tool to get the job done. When you're at the lake and you need a fresh drink, DeeZee has also added a cutout for a bottle opener on the hitch as well. This step is more than just a step. It's like a Swiss Army step. If you're interested in purchasing the DeeZee serrated hitch step, check out the store locator in the description below or on screen. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos each week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.